Introducing Healthgenie Treadmill 3911M with heart pulse and extended safety handle. Walking or running on a treadmill is one of the easiest and most effective ways to achieve regimen of regular exercise. It's one of the best cardio workouts that helps you lose body fat and tone muscles. These are the specifications of Healthgenie Treadmill 3911M. 1.0 horsepower motor. With speed range of 1 to 10 km per hour. Belt size of 110 cm by 39.5 cm. Speakers. Pulse sensor. Red LED display. OX. Assemble the product at the same place where you want to place it. Even though most steps can be performed by a single person, you will need a second person to accomplish some steps. Lay the parts aside for later use. Make sure the power cable is unplugged. Dismantle the screw at the left side of the treadmill. Lift up the upper part and tighten the screw. With the screw and tool shown on the screen, tighten the screw to make the upper part steady. Repeat the step at the other side. Lift the treadmill to fit the wheel stand. Use the screw and tool shown on the screw to tighten the stand. Repeat the step at the other side. Now the exceptionally high-quality Healthgenie Treadmill 3911M is all set and ready to enhance your healthy lifestyle.